Can you please do it again? I think you're trying to. We'll wait for you, okay?
Of course, I didn't have it turned on when it went off. Can you please turn that flashlight on again?
The blue one seems to be the most popular one.
Any of them is fine. And like Jamie said, we can wait.
We'll wait. You did it once. I know you can do it again.
If you need to rest for a few minutes or whatever.
We'll wait for you. Concentrate with me. I'm going to count to 10. And I want you to really give everything that you've got to turn that flashlight on again when we get to 10, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn it on. I can tell that you're here. Thank you for trying to talk to us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Can you turn it right back off for me? Just twist it right back off. All right, I'm gonna ask you a question, but it's only gonna work if we use turning the flashlight on for a yes. So you have to turn it back off before we can play. That's right. Okay. I want to know, are you a male? If you are, turn the flashlight back on. Okay. Then that means that we're talking to a female. Is that right? Are you a female? Are you a woman or a girl? Can you turn it on?
You know, it may be hard for whoever we're talking with to turn it on and off, and it might not be able to do it.
It seems to be very hard.
Yeah, because it's taken a long time for me if we've been dealing with the same person the whole time we've been here. We're not disappointed or anything. We just, I mean, you can turn it on anytime you want to. If it's hard, if it takes a lot of energy, that's fine.
The thing that we find is, and it may be because it's on that surface. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I mean, I don't know why it would. But in our experience, we've seen that blue flashlight go off very quickly in response to our questions. So that's what we mean. That's why we just are saying, yeah. We weren't trying to insult you. That's incredible. Can you turn on any of the other ones, the purple one or the black one?
There are two more over there.
Over to the left. See what you can do with those two other ones. I don't care which one, I just want to see. I feel like I can tell that you're trying to do it. That's so good. If you can't get those to work, that's fine. You can keep using the blue one and we'll know that you tried, and those are just two too hard to work. Yeah. I'm very impressed with you right now. I wish there was a way for us to figure out who we're talking to. Can we try again with the question about, are you a male or a female? If you're a boy or a man, can you turn the flashlight on? I think I just dropped something on the floor.
I dropped something. I think it's this case for the camera.
Okay. How about, are you happy here? Can you turn the light on? Do you like Ashmore Estates and being here? Are you stuck here? Is it okay that we're here? Can you turn the light on? Thank you. Turn it back off for me. I'm glad it's okay that we can hang out for a little while. Okay, turn it back off for me because I want to ask you something else, something that's important. It's important to me anyway, okay? Thank you. I want to know, are you the only person that's here with us right now? If we're just talking to you, can you turn that light back on? Okay. Then that must mean that you're down here with a friend of yours? What does that mean? How about, were you talking to us upstairs earlier tonight? Do you recognize us from earlier? Are you still here with us? Wow. I want you to know how amazing what you're doing is right now. You're blowing my mind.
Can you shine your flashlight over it just so that there's nobody? All I can see is the light coming on.
What now?
Can you shine your flashlight in that area?
Wow.
There we go. Just to show that there's nothing around it.